Reface your deck in days. Revitalize your home for years with a deck makeover by Trex. For about a third of the cost of rebuilding, Trex could give your old wood deck a much-needed facelift, beautifully, durably, economically. Made from eco-friendly recycled material, available in a gorgeous selection of styles and colors, and backed by an impressive 25-year limited warranty, Trex is as easy to install as it is cost-efficient. Just follow these 8 simple steps. Over time, a wood deck will often warp, crack, and splinter, even if you've been diligent about regularly staining, sealing, and maintaining it. So step 1 is to examine the substructure of your deck. Check the joist spacing and overall condition of the framing, making sure that it's structurally sound. Next, if the framing passes muster, obtain any necessary building permits and start the tear-off process. Begin by removing the railings and posts to allow for free access to the deck boards. Carefully dislodge and discard the boards, being cautious of nails or screws while leaving the substructure in place. Now, with the surface out of the way, more thoroughly inspect the frame, paying careful attention to its connection to the house. Check the structural hardware for code compliance and structural integrity. Add and/or replace components as needed. Lastly, make sure the joists are even and level, shimming or shaving them as needed. At this point, you're ready to install. Note that, while Trex looks and works like wood, it has some key differences. When decking is perpendicular to the joists, for example, joists need to be positioned 16 inches on center. When decking is diagonal to the joists, 12 inches on center is required. If you prefer, use hidden fasteners rather than screws to create a smoother surface. Once your final measurements are complete, pull a chalk line, place a row of start-stop clips along the chalk line, and install your first board. Continue to lay decking boards one to the next using connector clips. Trex stair treads and risers are next. Install the risers and treads like so. For stair tread attachment, use Trex color-matched screws and color-matched plugs to hide screw heads from the surface of the tread. Upon completing your deck surface, it's time to start on the Trex railing assembly. Trex offers a full range of railing styles and colors to complement your deck design. Using the corner post as a point of reference, measure out to each additional post location, cutting placement holes with a jigsaw. Now drop the post through the deck hole, making certain that it's plumb. Then bolt it securely. On to step 6. Cover each post with Trex railing post sleeves and post skirts. Using the template provided, install railing support brackets. Then measure, cut, and install the bottom rail. Now, using the spacers to align the balusters, snap the gasket around the rails and secure them to the brackets. Stairs are easier with a helper involved. Be sure to mark and pre-drill bracket locations on your posts. Then nest together 2 railing supports and pre-cut the baluster to the right bevel to make installation simpler. Trex offers an impressive selection of railing styles, color choices, baluster options, post caps, and top rail caps, empowering you to create a beautifully detailed, one-of-a-kind look to suit your specific taste in deck decor. Simply choose the design element you prefer and snap into place. Or if you like, add Trex fascia to the outside of the deck for a more sophisticated finished appearance. Your deck makeover is now complete, but your enjoyment is just beginning. For years to come, your Trex deck will provide you and your home gorgeous aesthetics, low maintenance, ultimate durability, and exceptional value. So why settle for this when you can put lasting beauty on deck with Trex and fall in love with outdoor living all over again?